I'm going to make the space cruiser again, because the last instructions with my old setup weren't that good. So this is a redo of the space cruiser. Let's begin. Alright, first you fold this top to this side so that you get a line going from here down when you unfold it. Alright, then you unfold that and do the same exact thing again, only the other side. Alright, and then you fold down right in the middle of the X, because you're going to get an X. Make sure it's precise. And then after you get that, unfold a bit, flip over, and you'll see that you have a little mountain in the middle of the X. You'll be able to push and it'll pop up, and right underneath these triangles you push down so that you get that, and then right on these triangles right here you push down again, flatten out the middle, like put your finger up and flatten out the tip, and then just push down and flatten out the sides. There. Now, if you're done with that, you get that. If you didn't, you did something wrong. Then you fold these flaps up to the top. I'll show that to you now. So that they were like this, and you fold it up so that it comes up to the point, makes another triangle, and when you do the other one, it'll become a diamond, kinda in the middle. Alright, then after that, you'll get that. You want to take this corner and make it flat like that. Like that. The same with the other flap of the diamond. Make sure they're the same height. And if you can't get them the same height, well then just make sure they're a little bit equal. Alright, and then you'll see right above there, there's a triangle. Fold that triangle down. Alright then. You get that. Alright, now you'll have that, and you'll see these two little pockets right here, right there, and then there's going to be one right there. You want to get these things, these little flaps right there, into the pockets. So you're going to open it up, bend this, get that in, and then do the same with the other side while it's still up. It's going to be hard getting those pockets open and getting it in there, but once you do, it's worth it. Flatten everything out. Alright, there. You got the middle, and then for the, I don't know, I guess you could call them wings, the stabilizers, you fold it this to the middle where that point is, and then do the same with the other side. So it's like that, and then fold these flaps again, keep it like that, but fold those flaps back out to the edge. And then pull them out like that. the space cruiser. Now, for this one, you're going to want to have it just a little curve down at the bottom, just for better flight. And then, to fly it, you grab, not this part, but you grab this part right here, with a little chompy hand. Yep. And you grab, and then fly. And let me get that back. That is the space cruiser. Hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.